Disclaimer: this video is for informational purposes only and not financial advice. CryptoMaps is not a financial advisor. Information may be inaccurate. CryptoMaps is not responsible for any losses. Welcome back to CryptoMaps.xyz. Today we're going to dive into the world of crypto wallets and show you how to transfer your crypto assets from one wallet to another on different blockchains. Let's get started. So, what exactly is a crypto wallet? A crypto wallet is a digital tool that allows you to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies, unlike keeping your assets on an exchange. A crypto wallet gives you full control over your funds, meaning you hold the private keys to your assets, where in an exchange, the exchange holds the keys to your funds. There are various types of wallets out there, but today, we'll focus on three main ones: Ethereum Virtual Machine, better known as EVM wallets, Solana wallets, and Bitcoin wallets. EVM wallets like MetaMask are compatible with the Ethereum blockchain and other EVM-compatible blockchains such as the Base network. Solana wallets, such as Phantom, are specifically designed for the Solana blockchain. Bitcoin wallets, on the other hand, are dedicated to the Bitcoin blockchain. Now that we have a basic understanding of crypto wallets, let's move on to the tutorial. We'll be transferring some Solana from a Phantom wallet to a MetaMask wallet on the Base network. We'll start with Solana and finish with Ethereum on the Base network. Phantom, Solana operates on the Solana network, while MetaMask, Base operates on the EVM ecosystem. Therefore, we need to use a bridge to transfer assets between these two different blockchain networks. The process for transferring assets between wallets on different blockchains is for most wallets the same. So do not worry if you are using another wallet or another blockchain. This video is still useful for you. If you are transferring assets on the same blockchain, then the process is a bit different. Please check out our video for transferring assets on the same blockchain in that case. To find the best route to transfer Solana from Phantom to MetaMask, the easiest way is to use our website, CryptoMaps.xyz. Here's how you can do it. First, select your start location. In this example, choose Phantom and then select Solana. Next, choose your destination. In this example, select MetaMask and then Base. Then, select the currency. Since we want to send Solana, click on Solana. The website will then show you the best route to transfer your assets. It provides a step-by-step plan that you can easily follow. As CryptoMaps suggests, we should use the Bridge Finance Bridge as this is one of the fastest options. However, if you want to learn more about bridging and various other topics, you can also go to the Cryptopedia page, where other reliable bridges are listed. For now, let's follow the suggestion of CryptoMaps and use Bridge Finance. Let's start by opening our Phantom wallet. Normally, you will have this as an add-in in your internet browser. As you can see, I have 0.07 Sol in my wallet. We'll be bridging this to my MetaMask wallet. To do this, we'll use Bridge Finance. It's crucial to check the web address carefully. There are scammers who create similar websites with almost the same name, so make sure you're on the correct site. First, we'll select the starting network and the currency. In this case, we'll choose the Solana network and the Solana coin. Next, we'll select the network and the currency we want to receive. We'll choose the Base network and the Ethereum coin. The reason for choosing Ethereum over USDT, for instance, is that Ethereum is needed for gas fees on the Base network. This will be important when we transfer our assets from our MetaMask to other locations. We can already connect the Phantom wallet as this is the wallet we will be using to bridge. Do this by clicking Connect Wallet and then selecting your wallet. In this case, Phantom. Now we go to our MetaMask wallet. We need to switch to the Base network first. After selecting the Base network, copy the wallet address from your MetaMask. Make sure you copied the correct address. Always double-check the address. It is recommended to transfer a test small amount first before pursuing bigger transactions. Choose the amount of Sol you want to bridge, and start the bridging process. Now we need to sign a contract. This allows the bridge to access your wallet and take out your assets. Only sign contracts from parties you trust. To start the bridging process, we need to input the wallet address we would like to send our assets to. After signing the contract, accept the fees and you are good to go. It may take a few minutes, but if everything goes through, you should receive your funds in your Base wallet. That was it for today. Please follow CryptoMaps.xyz for more crypto content. And do not forget to give a like to our video.